Questions using future tense. Hello and welcome to our video on English grammar. In this video, we will be focusing on how to form questions in the simple future tense. In English, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple future tense, using the auxiliary verb, will, and inversion of subject and verb. Examples of questions formed using the auxiliary verb, will. 1. Will you speak English? 2. Will she play the piano? 3. Will they walk to school tomorrow? Examples of questions formed by inverting the subject and verb. 1. Shall I bring a cake? 2. Shall we go to the party? 3. Shall he finish the work by tomorrow? You can also use question words to ask for specific information. For example, 1. What will you do tomorrow? 2. Where will he work next year? 3. Why will she like that song? It's important to note that in the future tense, we use will instead of shall to form questions with all subjects. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are two main ways to form questions in the simple future tense, using the auxiliary verb, will, and inversion of subject and verb. Remember to use will instead of shall with all subjects, and use question words to ask for specific information. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.